This is a sample paper in paper 3, 9709, paper 33, question number 8. And this is letter A. We don't need to answer this part because we haven't learned that yet. Relative to the origin O, the points A, B, D have position vectors given by OA, OB, and OD. A fourth point C is such that ABCD is a parallelogram. So just for you to understand the concept, so this, it doesn't look like a parallelogram, but anyway, so let's say this is A, that is B, that is C, and that is D. And you have there, for example, this is your origin. So OA is this one. So that is OA. And this OA is 1, 2, 1. Alright, I think I need to make a little bit. Okay. And then you have their OB. So this is your OB. And your OB is 2, 5, 3. Okay? 2, 5, 3. And then you have their OD. This is your OD. And that vector is, be careful, it's 3, 0, 2. 3, 0, 2. Why 0? Because this one here is 3i plus 0j plus 2k. So the jth component is 0. And basically we are looking for the position vector of OC. So basically, guys, if you're looking for OC, you can just use the, like in your IGCSE. So from O, you would like to go to point C. Okay, so from point O, you want to go to point C. So how shall we do that one? I'll just take another color. So what I can do is that I can go from OA, this one. Okay, I go from OA, from O to A, plus I'll go to AB, plus I'll go to BC. Okay, so that's going to be my way. But then I don't have AB. I don't know AB. But let's try to solve first for OB. For AB, I mean. So AB is equal to OB minus OA. Alright? Watch the lecture 2 if you don't understand why is it OB minus OA. So therefore, OB is equal to 253. 253 minus OA, which is equal to 1 to 1. I think it's going to be small. And that one will give you 1. 5 minus 2 is 3, 2. And then we need BC. But take a look that BC, this BC, is parallel to AD. Right? BC is parallel to AD. So since BC is parallel to AD, then we can solve AD, which is AD is equal to OD minus OA. And what is your OD? OD is 302. 302 minus your OA. Your OA is 253. No, 1 to 1. That is your OA. So therefore you have there now 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Alright? Now we can now solve the OC. OC is OA. So your OA is 1 to 1 plus AB. Your AB is 132 plus BC. But BC is the same as AD. So which is 2, negative 2, 1. So therefore that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Then 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4, 3, 4. Okay? So basically the vector OC is 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, and the coordinates of C is 4, 3, 4. Okay? So hopefully that is clear. So this part of question we're gonna discuss after lecture number 4. Thank you.